Hello and welcome to Module 5. This is our last module working on Aztec. We are finishing the final activity unit, analyzing text. So let's see what we need to do to finish up. The module objective is, by the end of this module, you will be able to distinguish claims that are supported by reasons and evidence from claims that are not. We're watching the video now, so after you watch this video, continue completing any unwaived lessons and drills on Aztec for the activity unit analyzing text. So again, show you what that will look like. You'll log into Aztec and see this screen. Go to View Classrooms. Go to your GED Language Art Reading course. And again, come to your learning plan. You should be very familiar with this by now. So this is our final section. We've already completed writing tests, so now we are completing analyzing text. So again, complete any lesson and drill that has an empty circle. And then you will come and take the post-test for this section and submit that score on Canvas. For this discussion, we're going to do something a little bit differently. You will read the article Hardwired to Bounce Back by Nan Henderson. And you'll answer the discussion question, what is the author's argument? What evidence does the author provide to support their argument? And we're going to do something a little bit differently. You will create a Flipgrid video response explaining your answer. And it looks like my link is not working. I will need to fix that. I thought it was working, but you will have a link here to Flipgrid. And let me show you what that looks like. So the link will take you here. Discussion 5, RLA. So read the article, Hardwired to Bounce Back, found on Canvas. Discussion. And then after reading the article, you will create a short video of yourself answering the following questions. So I recommend writing your answers first and then creating a video of yourself. So again, the questions that you will answer are, what is the author's argument and what evidence does the author provide to support their claim? Write your answer to that and then video your response. Once you video your response, you can get a link to your Flipgrid video, and that is what you will submit for this assignment. There will be a submit assignment button, and that is where you will submit the link to your Flipgrid video. Then don't forget to enter your post-test score, and that is it for Module 5.